In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an external bank account from Bank of America online banking or the mobile app. If you've linked an account from another bank for transfers or bill payments and you no longer need it, removing it keeps your dashboard clean and helps prevent accidental payments from the wrong place. First, sign into Bank of America, either on a web browser or in the mobile app. Use a secure connection, and if you're on mobile, make sure your app is up to date so the screens look familiar and the delete option is available. Once you're signed in, head to Accounts. On the app, you can also tap the main menu tab to get there. You'll land on your 360-degree view, which is the overview page that shows all your Bank of America accounts alongside any external accounts you've added. External accounts usually display with the other bank's name and may look slightly different from your Bank of America accounts, so you can tell them apart at a glance. Find the external account you want to remove and select it to open its details. Look for the delete or trash can icon. Tap or click that icon to remove the link to this external account. You may be asked to confirm. Go ahead and review the prompt since it's a final check to make sure you're removing the correct account. Confirm to finish. This action unlinks the external account from your profile. It doesn't close the account at the other bank. It simply prevents it from appearing in your 360-degree view and blocks it from being used in transfers or payments through Bank of America going forward. There's also an alternative path if you primarily use that external account for paying bills. Go to Bill Pay, then open Manage or Add Accounts from other banks. From there, select the external account you've been using as a funding source for payments and remove it. This ensures it won't appear as a payment option the next time you schedule or modify a bill. A quick reminder, once you remove an external account, any future transfers or bill payments from that account will stop. It's a good idea to review your scheduled activity before you confirm the removal so you can update any recurring items to a different funding source. If you ever need the account again, you can re-add it later by going through the standard add account process. That's it. Simple, secure, and clean. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your 360-degree view and keep your payments organized.